主持人，钟部长您好，我是中新社中新网记者。我们注意到今年春节中国国内消费超过9000亿元，想请问您商务部下一步在扩大国内消费、进一步释放消费潜力方面会有哪些新的举措？谢谢。
With China News Service, Minister Zhong Shan, we all noticed that in the Spring Festival this year, the total value of domestic consumption within China was over 900 billion yuan. So what new measures will the Ministry of Commerce take to further boost domestic consumption and unleash the purchasing power and potential of Chinese consumers?
谢谢。春节市场消费火爆，这说明了我们的人民群众。
The market on the Spring Festival enjoys a boom. This means that our people have confidence in our country. They have confidence in themselves.
也有购买的能力。春节市场呢，是我们全国
Our people also have their own abilities to consume. Spring Festival market is a miniature of the domestic market consumption. Our country has become a big country in terms of consumption. The scale of consumption. The scale of consumption has ranked the second in the world. In 4 consecutive years, consumption has become the first driver of our economic growth. In the past, we mainly rely on the investment and export. Now, we rely on the combined efforts of investment, consumption, and export. We still have a big potential in consumption. Our country has a population of about 1.4 billion people. The group with medium revenue has reached the size of 400 million. With the constant development of economy and society, with ever-increasing revenue of people, with the improvement of people's well-being, we have a huge potential in consumption. Of course, we still have shortcomings. The major social contradictions have been transformed into meeting people's higher demand on their lives. And the contradiction happens between their needs and their economic structure. The supply of goods and services are hard to meet the demands of the people's primary demand. According to the primary calculation, outbound consumption registered a size of about 200 billion US dollars. In the shopping list, we have investigated. They include the high-end products and the daily necessities. The outbound shopping also reflected a fact. It means that the quality products are undersupplied in China and they are overpriced.
At the same time, our consumption in services is still very weak. For example, home service is still weak, and aging nursing and nursing for the old care medical services
在这个方面啊，
are still
供
the
应
weak
是
areas.
不足的。今天早晨我在来的路上，有一
They are
条新闻，
undersupplied.
我们现在
This morning, when I
全国
commuted to this
有
meeting
2
room,
亿
I
4千
read a piece of
万
news.
60岁以上的。
It said that
那么现在面临
there
着
are
一个
240 million Chinese
居家养老
old people
还
that
是
exceeds
社
more
会
than exceeds 60
养老的
years
问
old. So
那么其实啊，
the
这
old
个
age care and home service
养老
has become a problem.
健康都是服务消费的问题，
Old age
现在呢
care and
确实是
health care
严重的不足。
are also an area for consumption,
下一步呢，我
but
们要
they
根
are
据
both
社会主要
undersupplied.
矛盾的变化，要创新流通，扩大
Next
消费
step, we will
增加
respond to the
有
change
效
in
供给
our major social problem
重点呢
and expand
要做好3件事，
consumption and
作为我们商务
try
来说，
to provide a greater
要搭
supply.
建平台，
We will
促进
do
消费，
three
搭
work.
建平台，促进消费。
First, we will build
在
a
城
sound
市，
platform to
我们要
promote
改造、
the
提升
consumption
一批高品位的步行街，
especially in the
提高
cities. We
消
will
费的品质。
try to
提高
build a
城
number
市的
of high
品味。
quality streets,
要
shopping
把步
streets,
行街
to improve
打造
our
成
residents'
城市的
shopping
亮丽一面。
style, their taste, and their quality for shopping, so that these streets will become
还
a
要
name card
优化
for
便
the
利店、
cities.
菜市场等社区的商业网店布局，
In addition, we
要打
will
造
improve the
15分钟的
environment at community
便
level,
民
especially
生活
for
的
the
服务圈，
markets, the supermarkets.
菜篮子的供应。
We will build a 15-minute life service circle so that the people
这
can
个
buy
在
whatever
乡
they
村呢，
want
要加快
at a
建
very
设一
short
批
distance.
特色商贸小镇和生活
For
服
the
务
rural
中心，
area, we will
让
build a
乡
number
村
of
展现新面
features
貌，让农民
small
享受新
towns
生活。
so
我们还
that the
将大力
countryside
发
will
展
take
电
a
子商务
new，
推
face
动
and the
线
people
上
will
线
enjoy
下的
better
融
life.
合。
We will further
总的
develop
来说，
e-commerce
要让
to
城乡居
promote
民
the
有更丰富的
joint
选
development
择，
of
更
online and
便捷
offline
的服务
shoppings.
更舒适的体验。
In a nutshell,
二
we
是
want to provide
扩大
more
开放，
services and
促进消费。
better, more
我们要
choices and better services
大幅
to
度
our
地
rural
放宽
and
市场
urban
补助
residents.
下调汽车
In addition, we will
部分任
promote
用消费
and
品等的进口关
facilitate
税，
the
扩大
domestic
电信、
consumption.
医疗、
We will lower
教
some
育、养老
import
等
tariffs
服务
for
开放，
automobiles
丰
and other
富国
products.
内
We
市场
will
供应，降低消费成
further
本，
open up in the healthcare,
是
medical care,
改善
and
环境，
education
促进消费。
spheres, and we will lower the costs
我
in
们要
relevant
不断地
areas.
改善城乡消
We
费
will
的
also
环境，我
deliver
们要
a
开展互
better
联网、领域
environment
和农村市场的
for
这种
both
整治，
the rural and urban
建
areas.
设
We will
重要农产品的摘说体系，
also use the internet
让老百
to
姓
help the rural areas
消
to
费得
improve
放
their
心
environment
开心，
and also to
有获
improve
得感、
the rural
安全感。
sites, agricultural products environment, so
谢谢。
that the rural people will
谢谢。
have
请
a
继续
better
提问。
life. Thank you.
中区